Today I am going to show you the magic of composition. Means by using Photoshop and After Effects, I am doing a still image to a moving image. It is just the help of magic of composition. So let's go to computer and see all those things. Thank you very much. Today I show you how to give life to a still image. We take a still image and give the life to that still image, make some animation, and so that it looks like it has a life. We make this with the help of Photoshop and After Effects. Let's start. This is my still image. This is my still image, what I get from internet, and I want to make lifeful image from it. So this is my still image. This is my still image, and this one is what I made from that image. Okay, so how can I make the things? The thing is that if this is now there is only one layer, that is now there is only one layer, and that is this background layer. This is one layer, but I separate all the parts one by one. I separate it. If I go to this layer, I make it big, means landscape size. I make it pen, double size of that initial one, and then I make the things like that way. I separate all the things one by one. This is my BG. This is my background. This is my all the trees. This is my water. This is my all the ice, but I am not using this one. And this is my sand area, the base area, and this is my all the stone. If you go inside the stone folder, you can see one. I separate each stone like this way, right? So I have to do some pre-work, planning work, right? And then last one is the plants, these plants. So I just, it is like this, So I separate all the parts. Even I separate all the trees also like this. This is my trees, all the trees. I separate it, all the trees. Now I go to After Effects. I save it in Photoshop file, and going to After Effects, I just this is my After Effects, and here I make all the parts separate. Means this is my water composition. Base, I make an animation to it. It is like this, and then all the stone I make here. Stone is coming from up, and the boy also work on this area, right? Stone, all the trees are here. So one by one it's coming. So then I make a separate all the composition I take together, and this is, and make an animation like this. If I play it, it is like this. So you have to learn After Effects, it's true. And then I pan it like this way, right? And then I nest another one, make it small one. It's not like it is like right now, it is the final. So it is very interesting to do and very challenging. It's really challenging. Even you can see the shadow and all the stuff. It's really challenging. It's just to see. Looks like very easy, but it's not so easy. But it's not so also tough. If you learn the After Effects, it's very easy. In Photoshop, I difference all the layers, and in After Effects, I make the movement, right? So right now it's look like 3D. Means the background layer is moving slowly, front layer is moving fast. So it looks like it has a camera movement. So thank you very much. I think you can understand somehow. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.